Hello everyone. When was the last time you wrote a business content but you ended up confusing your audience? You had really long sentences, confusing sentences, complex vocabulary, and your audience did not follow your writing. Here, you tried to make use of flowery language in your write-up. We all have a misconception that our writing should be flowery in nature. We need to use really long sentences. We need to use complex vocabulary to sound very intelligent, very academic-like, and sound very accomplished. But let me share you a secret. In business setup, we don't require a flowery language. What we require is simple sentences with the use of simple vocabulary, commonly used vocabulary that everyone can understand. That is more important in a business setup. This flowery language, you can reserve it for your poems. If you are a creative writer, use the flowery language. But in a business setup, make sure that you're conveying your message in as simple terms as possible. Let me take some examples to make you understand this. So since I will be reframing the complex sentences or the flowery sentences, so I will read from my notes. So let me give the first example. Let's take this complex sentence. As a result of the quarterly marketing tactics, we presume that the company can hit humongous sales targets. I lost my breath reading this. Really, I lost my breath. I imagine readers who are reading this sentence, they will not follow properly. Let's simplify this sentence. You can instead say, the company expects a raise in the revenue due to good sales. See, I have simplified the sentence in less than 12 words. Okay, let's take another example to understand. The company, by virtue of its enormous expansion plans, strategies, collaborations and ventures, have branches across 4 countries of the world. Again, it is very long and I've lost my breath. Imagine readers reading it. Let's simplify this sentence, this flowery sentence. Let's shorten it, use simple vocabulary, and let's see how we can change it. The company has branches across 4 countries. You don't have to say of the world because countries belong to the world. Okay, you can simplify it in less than 10 words. So this is what I have done now. Hope you have understood how you can cut down on your flowery language and use simple sentences in your business setup. Do try this in your business setting and do let me know the results. So thank you everyone for joining me on this day 13. No, it's not day 13, it's day 14 of the Facebook 30-day life challenge. I enjoyed sharing this communication tip. This is from my own personal experience as a writer. And also, feel free to register for my upcoming workshops. One on business writing and one on effective communication at the workplace. So I'm starting the workshops on 17th May. Do register and do join in. So tomorrow I'll be back with yet another communication tip. Until then, it's Devi, your communication coach, signing off. Thank you so much everybody. Have a good night.